Ahoy! Ryan Folan from the Office of the Vice Provost of Teaching and Learning at UCI. We put on monthly workshops, and today we had another social media lunch. Social media is very frustrating when the algorithms change, and that's why today we covered all of the algorithmic changes for Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. I teach you how to take the features of the platforms and create your own algorithm so that you can break the algorithm.
Hi, I'm Laura Niwa. I'm here from the Eli home, and I came to learn more about how to use my influence in social media. It's been an amazing experience for me, and actually I've been here for an hour and a half learning all the tricks and feedbacks that we can take away to be more successful in social media.
I'm Dr. Seema Chowdhury, and I'm a former UCI professor. It was such a wonderful experience to know what goes behind the social media. So now we can plan better about how to be more connected and be social on social media.
Now all you have to do is sit back and relax, and we have an entire hour and a half presentation that's ready for your consumption. If you are frustrated because you find your social media posts getting less reach, you need to watch this video so you can use the features to create your own algorithm to break the algorithms. Before you do that, follow us on Instagram and Facebook and Twitter for ourselves, and then you can click in this box right around here, click there, and you get the entire presentation. All right, you're gonna have to watch the rest to get the rest. Bye.